Hello, everyone! Today, let me introduce the all-new Wuyoutong switch with interchangeable sensor system. Interchangeable design for word-free replacement. Available in both surface-mounted and recessed styles. This is the sleeve. We mounted it onto the wooden board. Then simply plug in the sensor head. This is the touch sensor switch. Tap once to turn the light off. Press and hold to adjust brightness. Now let's switch to a single door contact sensor. Close the door to turn off the light. Open to turn on. Next, let's try the hand sweep sensor. Sweep once to turn off. Sweep again to turn on. Lock the sensor for a few seconds to adjust brightness. Finally, we change to a motion sensor. All sensor types can be freely swapped. Plug and play. So easy even a child can do it. Come and try Wuyoutong now.